Just wanna see the light.
Hello, and welcome to Complete Game Development course using Unity Engine and C#. Let's have a quick look on power of Unity Engine. My name is Nilmani Gautam and I will be your primary instructor throughout this course. This course is designed in such a way that, even if you have never touched C# or never performed any coding before, this course is for you. We start off with very basic game in console, where we learn lots of fundamental of coding, and structure of game programming in C# using Unity. After that we will make 2D and 3D games. So before dive in we have to know, what is Unity Engine and how does it works? Basically, a game engine is the software that provides game creators with the necessary set of features to build games quickly and efficiently. For most games, game engines can provide you with an architecture with overall high-performance rendering capabilities, and with access to fast graphics API, so you can enable the greatest visual fidelity for your games. Throughout the course we will use Unity as our game engine, and C# as our programming language. Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies. Unity Engine had been extended to support more than 25 platforms. Which means we can build the application which was made in Unity for all other platforms such as Android, iOS, Facebook, WebGL etc. We can develop games, animations, UI system, particle systems, physics, AR, VR and much more from Unity Game Engine. And also Unity is free for you, if you do not make too much money. Let us download Unity and start making games. You will find how to download Unity and install it on next lecture. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.